So I was just tapping on some books and I figured I would make another video for my bookmarks. I have a pretty good collection right now. I used to have a lot when I was younger, but I didn't keep them, unfortunately. But recently, the most recent bookmark is this one. This was handmade. I got it at a little festival it's a festival that like my community kind of throws. A bunch of people who make things all have vendors there, and I saw this, and at the time I was currently reading Coraline, so it just kind of went together. I think one of my first ones was The Llama. I probably got this when I was like 14. He's cute. I got these for Christmas or my birthday. Some are still in books that I haven't finished.